Hey everyone! Welcome back to Money Matters. Today we're diving into a simple yet powerful tool for your financial health. The savings account. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, a big purchase, or just building an emergency fund, using your savings account effectively can make all the difference. Let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding the basics. First, let's understand the basics. A savings account allows you to store money securely while earning interest. Key features include earning interest on your balance, accessibility with limited withdrawals, and FDIC insurance up to $250,000. Segment 2. Tips for using your savings account effectively. Now let's talk about maximizing your savings account's potential. Set clear goals for your savings. Automate transfers from your checking to your savings account. Seek out high-interest savings accounts, often available from online banks. Limit your withdrawals to avoid fees and keep your balance growing. Regularly review your account to ensure you're meeting your goals and getting the best interest rates. Using these tips will help your savings grow faster. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Matters for more financial tips. Have any questions or tips? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your financial health is important. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow.